Good morning. This is Gemma Fong of Simplifying the Web. And today what I wanted to do is walk you through how to set up a funnel for a lead generation. It's quite simple through our platform, SimplifyingTheWeb.com. And I'm going to show you a screen recording of going through the process. Now, why do we need a lead generation funnel? Well, a lead generation funnel gives you the ability to offer something in exchange for the emails of your potential clients. And so what you do is create a valuable piece of content which they would be interested in and offer it for them to sign up. All they need is their first name and email address. You collect that into your database, and then as a thank you, you offer them the free download. Now, why should you do this? If I were to come to your website and I'm just looking around and I see that you offer a number of services that I'm interested in, yet you don't have e-commerce, you don't have any way for me to show interest, except maybe go to your contact page and fill out a form or send you an email. But then there may be some who come to your website and they're interested, but they don't really take action. Both those scenarios will show you that you've missed an opportunity for a prospect. Does that make sense? Okay, let's go into setting it up. So when you come to my screen, and it'll be the same when you have your own screen of setup for your website, we have a menu bar down at the side here on the left. We go to the area where you have the 3 or 4 lines that are going big to small, and it looks like a funnel, and we click on that funnel. Now, in my case, I've already built it, so I'm going to go to one that I've already built so that I can just show you what is included in a funnel. So I gotta go to this, excuse me, I'm gonna go to this, let's see, website rebuild to-do tips, okay? So I'm going to click on it, and it's going to open up my funnel editor. Now you can see where the title is here. You can see the link that you can have directly to your funnel. Okay. And these are the pages. Now let's open up the page. And this page is called the landing page. Now the differentiation between landing page and a regular page is that the landing page doesn't have any navigation at the top or at the bottom, nor should it have any external navigation going away from this page. The whole goal of a landing page is to get them to sign up and press the download button. Does that make sense? So we do not put any navigation at the top. We don't put any social media or anything on the bottom or other places of the page. Now, what you do want to have on your landing page is a really good title, a hook, something that's going to incite some action. So mine for now says for a limited time. So I'm kind of introducing scarcity here. So for a limited time, you can download and then the name of the book or ebook that I have. And I'm also saying it's free. So it's a low barrier to entry, but it's the first step for me as the owner of the site to be able to develop a relationship with them. So they fill in the form. We explain what they're going to receive. They fill in their first name and their email. We tell them that this is a launch special. So we're offering it for free, but after the launch period, pre-launch period is over, then it'll go back to its regular price, which is $37 Canadian. So download it now. So get your copy now, okay? We have a big picture of it on the page, and all these things are, when you preview it, you can see it's above the fold, so you know what you're signing up for and what you're getting. So you can see it's all above the fold. And this is what we call a short form. And then you can go down and learn a little bit more what's inside the ebook. People like to know what they're signing up for. A little reminder, don't miss out in case they've forgotten what they're doing here. And then I have a little bit of a bio of the person who wrote it and some testimonial. And then that's it. So you want them to fill out this form. Now, when I go back to the funnels, you can see that I can actually do A/B testing. So I could split this and create another page that's also promoting the same thing, and maybe make some changes to the title. Now, you don't want to make too many changes all at once, because you'll never know really what worked and what didn't. So if you're going to do some A/B testing, I would suggest maybe do it for a week, change one thing, and see if there's any differentiation of what is most clicked on. Now, you would change the percentage. You can decide that I want to deliver one at 50% and the other one at 50%. Or you can say I want to deliver one at 20%, the other one at 80%. And then it will calculate based on the click-throughs or the submissions, which one was the better landing page. This is great for research. Now let's go to the thank you page. Again, you don't want them to click off anywhere. Basically, you just want to thank them for their interest. You can personalize it because they've already put their first name in, and you can then give them the button that's going to take them to the free download. Very simple lead generation funnel. If you're interested in building this for your own website, it's very affordable rate. You can have multiple funnels, or you can just purchase one funnel, depending on what you need. So I thank you for listening and viewing this little tutorial, and I wish you the best. Good luck. Thank you. You can reach me at SimplifyingTheWeb.com, and my email address is gemma.fong@SimplifyingTheWeb.com. Thank you.